Colleagues, today, Bandabami, we are talking to you. We are motivating you. We want you to know that as we mark our 50 days before your exams, this is the time now when we want to say to you, these 50 days are the 50 days of opportunity, 50 days of you correcting your mistakes, 50 days of closing the podium gap that you have, 50 days of practicing whatever that you need to practice until you become perfect, as well as 50 days for asking for help. This is your 50 days to ensure that you up your level in terms of performance. If you were at level 3, make sure that you move to level 4. If you are at 4, move to 5. If you are at 5, move to 6. If you are at 6, move to 7. Nothing is impossible. All the speakers today were actually saying to us, we are ready as KZN to tackle our final results. Our final exams. So our results for the class of 2026, we hope that they will be better than the results of the class of 2025. Is it? Are you afraid of the class of 2025? You want them? Okay, that's my class. So today we are going to launch this booklet. Can I see this booklet? Can we capture the moment? So 2025, we got most learners that passed grade 12 in terms of numbers, in terms of percentage, but also we get the most number of bachelor passes, we got the most number of distinctions. So it means the class of 2026, you've got a challenge. I want you to smash the record of the class of 2025. What are you going to do? I don't want you to break it. I want you to smash the record of the class of 2025. Okay? So, this booklet is going to assist you as you are going now to get ready for your exams. In this booklet, what is important, as Mrs. T.A. Gumede indicated, you must have your personal study timetable, right? In your personal study timetable, at least a day you must have 6 hours.